You're not 15 minutes supposed to be on my foot, dog.
Why am I there now, man? You no worry that.
No, I don't want you to worry that, dog, because you see when you late, me late. And so all of that go on, you know the boss are like late things. You know?
Brother, me get caught in a little traffic. Him have to understand that, dog.
You know what I say, but yeah, everything go to the pick up.
No, it's a little thing go on, but everything go on.
What do you mean little thing? A little thing go on.
Why not worry yourself, man? A little thing go on, but everything there, man. Everything go on.
Everything like that, no one.
Yeah, you know me I pre something to I want to ask you a serious question. Dog, you're not tired for you do all of this? Brother, and we are the muscle. We are do all of the groundwork and the boss just sit down and collect money. You don't feel a time now for me and you branch out and do one thing?
Yeah, I'm not to get where you try to. Where I say, I don't want to do this no more. Yeah, where you
brother, and not that. Remember, you know, this are the only thing I know for do, you know. This are the only thing I'm good at, you know, dog.
So what you try to do? You try to turn against the boss, brother?
And I not turn against the boss, dog. But you know what, you won't respect. Them little chump changer where you get, you know what, more, dog?
Nah, respect always in my waist, you know. What you talk?
You think you're going with, dog? Right now, I feel like so we just forget rid of the boss and we do this, dog.
So what you plan for? Just go up to the boss and say, yo, we are doing one thing now, we don't do this no more.
Brother, we don't even have to do that. As me say, we can just get rid of him and me and you run this.
Nah, you hear yourself, brother. We go to the boss, right? At times, so we are going to do this. I would take which we are signing in the dog. So what you do?
That wish. Why you? I'm in a business, not what you say right now. No. All me I say is, hear me I say, you don't have to give me an answer right now. Just think about it and then just link me and let me know what.
Yo, you know what I'm excited. I want to kill all the boss and come out to food behind. Yo, hear me I say, bro. You link your man, you know what I say?
Why you? As me say, just think about it and make me know what I want. You don't have to give me an answer right now.
I'm here triple lick right now, man. Yeah. No, brother, you start.
Yeah, I'm going to pick it up later.
Persian, I thought you were done with all that.
What are you talking about?
Who was on the phone? Who was that? Hmm?
You don't trust me?
Exactly.
Baby, I meet up with Dice tonight and talk about it. I promise you, you get the family or the one.
Persian, you've been saying that. Alright, I trust you. But there's only so much that I can take.
You guys ready to take your order?
1 minute, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Firework, go on.
So much, brother. Yo, you know, say me have something for you. Shit, man, reach.
What? Oh, yeah, so what am I come to? I go on over there, so.
Firework, brother. You know, say me have something for you.
Yeah, we have around there.
Freshmatic, brother.
Yo. Fire. You know, say I this me now we pan for 0 again, brethren.
Yeah, man, you me think of first, brother.
Sure, no, yo, how much I let this go for?
No, say me no want nothing, are you that?
Me this?
Yeah, man, are you that?
Yo, what the catch, yo?
Yo, tell boss him. Say you have an ex-soldier we want to join the camp. I know say you make a fool and I want a fool too.
Yo, Fire, right now I tell you that are easy, man. I go link up with him later, me and him can reason about that.
Yeah, man.
And by a man, him make you know how to pray, so I say?
I know say you make fools and I want some of that.
That's the word, Fire, but yo, for real, you know, respect in the Fire. Yo, respect again in the Fire.
Yeah, man, make sure you back it up, brother, back it up.
Levels, you know, we change up the game with this, you know.
Yeah, man. Next time you know, yeah, the brother.
Fire. See you up, you know.
Money in my bag?
Yeah, man, everything in the bag.
Never any problem.
1 3 like always.
I want to ask you a question. If you don't make so much money as me, would I give up all of this for your girl?
Yo, me personally, nah give up no money for no woman.
My girl want to walk up on this. That would never happen. I feel like she has a secret agenda. I'm going to find out.
Again, boss, I don't know if to tell you, because my life now come to that.
No man, it's alright. Let me have a little thing in it. I want to ask you. You trust him?
Yeah, man, you mean if I trust him? Him a good youth.
You know a little bird tell me my plan to get rid of me and take over.
What?
You don't know about that?
No, man, I believe that, man.
I know what you believe. I know you want to run this long time. You know me have to get rid of him tonight.
Yo, so you know I want to link him and find out if all of this true for us?
I want to talk to him, yes. But no matter what you say, still not trust you. I want to get rid of him either way. So just make a call and say,
Ah,
once we do this, you no longer work for me. We work together as a team, 50-50.
really?
Time now for you get the respect where they deserve.
And you know what? May I set up the car, man. May I go make the link?
Do the right thing.
Man, the link here, man.
Do the right thing.
So what going, boss? Everything good, you know. Business are going good, you know what I mean? Me make me pick up them and everything, so everything good.
Never go find out.
Yo, me not get where you are, what you mean?
After me get a seat on my table, you betray me.
Dog, betray me, not get where you are, what
Drive. Just how what we are going to do now?
No loose sense. I did my girl right now, my girl here shopping.
Yeah, when you go over there, so drop me right there, let's go at Summer Park. Yo, no, you have to do it now.
How are you?
At least are your worries.
You know what you David?
Ooh, big bad version.
Yo, fire. Yeah. Ah, mad. But they take care of everything if you take care, right? Ah, so here what? Just cool out for the night, lay low, you see what I say? And in the morning, we link up. Ah, one.
Tell us you worry too much, dog. Everything did gonna be alright.
Let me have a little thing in it. I want to ask you. You trust him?
Yeah, man, you mean if I trust him? Him a good youth.
You know a little bird tell me my plan to get rid of me and take over.
What?
You don't know about that?
And then no turn against the boss, dog. But you know what, you won't respect. Them little chum changer where you get, you know what more, dog?
I want to talk to him, yes. But no matter what you say, still not trust you. I want to get rid of him either way. Just make a call and say.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you to stop talking so much in the dogs. Come down who you run off your motor, but the boss don't say I try to shell him.
My youth, hear me say, none of this never did if you go like this, you know. And that's why I put you in place for all of this, you know.
Listen, I did my part. You just had to go run your mouth.
Baby, may I meet up with Dice tonight and talk about it. I promise you, you get the family what they want.
Virgin, you've been saying that. Alright, I trust you. But there's only so much that I can take.
So hold on then. And me alone don't know what I'm going to ask?
Yo, hear me say, you worry too much. Me always tell you that. Just easy yourself, dog.
Yo, what you mean easy? The man a plan for drop your body tonight, dogs. You know hear me I say?
Yo, just set the link. That's all me need.
Yo, something broken in your ears, brother. Link, if you link, you might drop your body tonight, dogs. Tonight.
Yo, me have a way, you know. That's how you come in this, you know. I saw you come in all of this, you know. Yo, you remember a game we used to play back in the days? If you say who can stop them breath the longest, that's gonna save my life tonight. Yo, yeah.
And then after that, what I go on?
I can get him to the shop, but one of y'all gotta be there.
It's like, you know what we just sell a little while. Oh, that gonna work.
Hold on. No, that can't work. We can't do that. Come on, hopefully. Make that work. I'm happy. Just make that work.
Set it up then.
Say less.
Yo, do you do it now? Yo, fire. Yeah, man, him up on the way come right now. Yeah, man. Mad.
How are you?
At least are your worries.
Ah, what?
Tell us you worry too much, dog. Everything did gonna be alright. It's always a worry, my youth. You see all of this? Before we sit to this now, everything we see right now, so I feel we know. You worry too much, man. You worry for. Two, action.
Read the line.
No, you can start it.
He had it.
You can say,
Delete that.
Shane,
Delete that.
action.
How are you? None of your business.
That bad boy. 1, 2, action. No, you can't come in like that. Come in like you're a peep run, because your girl you can look for you now. 1,
Wait,
2.
hold on. Y'all don't need me anymore, right?
No, you're perfect.
Oh, so I can leave.
No, when you see you're done.
Oh.
Everything there. You want to ask you a question? Yo, that loud dog.
It's the second one that came at the same time.
Yeah, man.